Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for the headphones Skullcandy Grind. Firstly, if your headphones connected to your phone, turn off the Bluetooth and remove the headphones from the charging case. Now we can hear a voice prompts. After that, press and hold on just your right earbud for at least 3 seconds. Here we go. Now you can turn on the Bluetooth and click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now it's ready to pairing, so if we click on it, we just pairing it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.